can easily clean soft pastels using fine clean sand or cereal, such as rice, ground maize, semolina, or other. You will need an airtight container. Fill the container with sand and add the dirty pastels to it. Close the lid and lightly shake the container. Don't worry, this will not break the pastels, but it will rub away all the dirt and your pastels will be good as new. Now, all that's left to do is to take them out and place them back into your pastel storage. This cleaning method can be reused many times until the sand or rice becomes too dirty.